Hi guys, and welcome back for a new q&DI video from my side. And today I have a very cool picture here for all the persons who live near the seashore or make soon holiday at the beach, because you need this lovely Jackknife clams, because these are very cool in structure, and I found it in the Netherlands at the beach. And I was thinking, hey, structure is very cool, so let's take pictures with it. But then I hold it against the sun and I was thinking, whoa, the structure is really very cool. So let's take it at home, make some light behind it and take cool pictures. And this is my picture here for today. And here you will find my complete materials, and below you will find my camera settings. And my setup is also very simple. I have black paper as background and underground to get a cool surrounding around this clam, because I like to highlight more the color of this clam. And my light will be only the Rollei Lumi Solo 2 cube, and in front I have the spotlight filter to point only the light here at the shell. I use the gate filter, a third hand tool, because I don't have one. And then I use the given diffuser instead of a tripod. And yeah, then I use the small tripod here for my camera, but also you can use a tripod for the light, and also you can use a third hand for the clam. And yeah, that's all. And then I take my pictures with a macro lens. And now I will show you my results, and I wish you a happy holiday time, a happy Christmas time, a happy new year, and we will see us in the next year. Ciao!